everyone.
My name is Esther Regwavoin and welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the USCIS Early Filing Calculator. You can actually apply for US citizenship through naturalization up to 90 days prior to meeting all the eligibility requirements. And this calculator right here will allow you to calculate the earliest date you can file for your citizenship. So before you apply, you should ensure that you are 90 days or less from being eligible to apply for naturalization. Even if you apply one day too early, USCIS will reject your application. And also be aware that 90 days is not the same as 3 months. 3 months can have, anywhere from 89 to 92 days. But however, USCIS requirement is 90 days. To become a citizen of the United States, most people are eligible like 5 years after becoming a permanent resident. And then for those that are married to US citizens, they're eligible to become a citizen after 3 years of being a permanent resident. So you can actually determine if you have met the residency requirement by looking at your permanent residence card. So if you were given your permanent residency today, which is 14th May 2024, if you are married to a US citizen, then you can add 3 years to that. If you add 3 years to that, that would be month 5, day 14. So we're in 2024 plus 3, that's 2027. So that's 2027. So you can imagine the earliest date you can file for your citizenship is February 13, 2027. So that's the date right here. Very, very easy to use. If you are going to get your citizenship 5 years after you became a permanent resident, then you're going to add 5 years to 2024, and two, that's 2029. If you're going to add 5 years to 2024, it's going to be May 14, 2029. And the earliest date you can file for your citizenship or your naturalization is February 13, 2029. So as you can see, it's very, very easy for you to calculate it. All you have to do is make sure that you meet all other eligibility requirements, such as your continuous residence, your physical presence, have good moral character, and you've been a resident in the district where you would be applying from. So if you do not meet all of the requirements, you may not be eligible to apply for US naturalization even after 5 years or 3 years, depending on your circumstances, have passed since becoming a permanent resident. So that's it, guys. The USCIS early filing calculator is very, very easy to use. Just make sure that you are eligible to apply for citizenship or naturalization, as it's been called, which is the Form N400 application for naturalization. So thank you guys for watching, and I wish you all the best. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to put them in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to respond to each and every one of them. So good luck. Thank you. Bye.